What's going on, folks? Joey Grits here. Ooh, in Winter Wonderland, South Carolina. We didn't get a lot of snow, but man, it is pretty. It's very pretty. Supposed to ice rain, some shit like that. Just talking, hanging out with my neighbors was cool. Whoa, the street's covered. It's great. It's freezing outside, but it's nice. It's really nice out here. Oh, I love South Carolina. Hey, Joey, always said, yeah. Oh, wow, it's too beautiful. Oh, shit, people. Quiet, nobody, no one's driving. It's like quad tracks, is about it, though. Alright, the quad just drove by. Very nice people, it's cool. Fuck, you get the street to yourself. Just enjoy it. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I don't know why anyone's driving. It's icy shit. Oh, man. It is beautiful out though. My fucking hands are freezing and I gotta pee. So I'm gonna head back. More to come. That's pretty. This whole area is pretty. I can't feel my fucking hands though. Yeah, I can't feel shit. There's soup in my future. I made some wicked ravioli last night though, folks. Still alone, but hey, oh, it's really pretty out here. Shit. Oh wow. Don't be the city, man. Fuck the city. Am I feeling myself? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I can't feel anything. I'm frozen. It's like 20-something degrees. I just got dogs barking again at me. You hear them? That's me. I caused that. I'm in trouble. Oh wow. Life is good. I'm happy, but I'm frozen, so I'm gonna eat something now. Anyway, peace out, folks. Have fun. Gang signs. Until next time. Take care.